So I'm sitting here with some old paperwork that I need to scan, cutting old paper clips in order to get them off, because they are so rusted that they have welded themselves to the paper, so I have to cut them off. And I'm using this Draper side cutter, just a regular 160 millimeter side cutter. And just from cutting that, look at the amount of wear on these. If it will focus, look at that. That's just from cutting these rusty things here. I mean, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but that is bad. That's bad, okay? Look at that. They're completely blonde out here in the end. I know British YouTubers like to hype up Draper as a brand, but I am really not impressed by their quality. And it's the same for all the Draper tools I've had. I've really not been impressed by them. I don't understand why British YouTubers like to hype this brand up so much.